कक्षा 7वीं के मित्र इस बारे में क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
Good afternoon to one and all present here. We the students of 7th standard are here to tell you about home remedies. A home remedy is a treatment to cure a disease or ailment that employs certain spices, vegetables or other common items. Home remedies may or may not have medicinal properties that treat or cure the disease or ailment in question. Many are merely used as a result of tradition or habit or because they are effective. A significant number, however, have been demonstrated to effectively treat ailments such as pains, minor lacerations, headaches, fevers, and even the common cold. To tell you more about these remedies, here are my friends from 7th performing Dadi in the scale.
Dadi, my stomach is aching.
Don't worry. Dadi's remedies will cure it in a second. Take this quickly and rest for a while. All your pains will go away.
After some time,
Dadi, I'm feeling much better now. Whatever you gave me has worked like magic. By the way, what did you give me?
Oh, that was just one of my home remedies for stomach pain. It had vitamins and fenugrec in it. See, friends, she didn't need all those special antibiotics to cure her. She just needed some of my home remedies.
Yes, Dadi is right. All these home remedies work like magic. And on people, and it's all natural. Dadi, can you please share some of these recipes with us?
Sure, Goody. Why not? Let some of my friends show you all
So sit back and enjoy the show.
Me, Joel, the mathematician from up. You're watching your favorite show, What's Got Talent. And guess what? It's the grand finale. We hold the totally terrific trio, our judges, Annie the splendid Story Owl, Jessie the humongous hummingbird, and Debbie the dancing clown. Our judges here are so wonderful that I don't think I'll be
That's right. We mainly live in grassy woodlands. Thank you.
Don't forget to enter the scores, judges. Our next contestant is Megan the Cockatoo.
Hello cocks, hens and all little birds. I'm Megan the cockatoo. I'm Megan the cockatoo and I'm going to tell you about the latest news. Today we are celebrating National Science Day. Do you know the importance of science? Science is a very big subject. There are so many divisions under it. And I want to tell you that people who study the birds are known as ornithologists, and the study is known as ornithology. Science, wherever you go, you find science. To just justify my point here, I would like to ask my judges a question. Ali, can you please tell us, how can you rotate your neck 270 degrees?
We owls have our lobes in the center of our necks instead of the sides. Also, the hollow bones have air sides to protect our lobes. So when we turn our legs, they are not damaged. If humans try to do this, they will end up with a stroke or paralysis.
Thank you. Jessie, can you please tell us that how many times do you flap your wings in a minute?
Around 300 times.
Wow. So friends, can you see there is science everywhere?
Wow, that was very informative. Judges, time for the question round.
Who's your closest relative?
We cockatoos belong to the order Ctesiophones. In this order, there are lorikeets, parrots, and us. And so, lorikeets and parrots are our close relatives. Thank you.
Now it's time to enter the scores. Our next contestant is Brianna the Woodpecker. Here she comes.
Hello everyone, my name is Brianna the Woodpecker and today I'm going to have you carve a wooden masterpiece out of this tree right here. That too in a minute. 12 time.
Time's up. Okay. Wow, that was great. Let's see if you can answer the judges' question just as well.
Cutie, cutie birdies, hats off to you. You deserve a huge round of applause.
Now I request Shivali ma'am to take over the